Putting your business needs before your own won't work in the long term. Trust me, I know. I've got the scars to prove it. In many cases, I thought it was my job as the CEO to suck it up and do the stuff I didn't really enjoy for the greater good. But it turns out that slowly but surely, the more stuff you do that sucks makes it harder and harder to stay excited, enthusiastic, and fired up and ready to walk through walls. Here's a toxic thought. I'll endure this pain, this exhaustion, this discomfort for the sake of the business, just like any great CEO would do. Often the pattern is more subtle and insidious than this. While the net effect is the same, the trade-off is often not spoken aloud or fully brought to the conscious mind. It may look like Tabitha, the CEO, puts up with Tom, the sales star, who brings in revenue but is the bane of her existence, and sucks the joy from her day by never following processes, never updating the CRM, undermining her authority in team meetings. Frequently, it can look like Jennifer, the client contact with Huge Corp, is never satisfied, making unreasonable last-minute demands of the team and denigrating the organization, requiring Brad, the CEO, to put up with it and talk the team off the ledge frequently because Huge Corp has so many open recs. To heck with that. First, remind yourself, at least 25 to 50% of CEOs burn out, lose passion, or give up after putting in years of stress and toil for almost no financial reward. The main cause is they run out of gas in their personal energy tank because they put the company's needs over their personal well-being. This, my friends, is a classic trap. So what do? You need to put yourself first. More specifically, prioritize your personal enthusiasm and gas tank ahead of almost everything else. I get it. You may need to grind from time to time. Just don't grind yourself down, because this CEO thing is an ultra marathon followed by an Ironman. So don't bonk out early. If you are thinking this doesn't apply to me because I can always sell it when I get tired, just make sure you've got 3 extra years in your gas tank, more than the exit horizon, so you don't have to sell from desperation and you can survive your earnout. If that sounds trite, go find someone who has walked the path of great cash flow, profits, and an exit and see how they've thrived. There's a lot to be learned from them. Thanks again. This is Profit Dr. Ben. Be well and profit.